kids. I hope all is well with everybody. So we're gonna start off with some like language development cards. It kind of falls into like 5 boxes of categories. In this case, we're gonna do foods. All right, but in each box there is 5 more categories that go in it. In the foods box, it has vegetables, fruit, meat, beans, and nuts, grains, and dairy. But today we're gonna go over some fruit. And what's cool about these cards is that it has very detailed pictures and it has the word on the back, like in this case, this is oranges. So it'll say orange on the back and then in 14 different languages. Bear with me, I know it's kind of backwards with you guys, but I mean, we're going to try to work this out. Alright, so we do have oranges here, and they look very similar to this one or this one. Now, the difference is that their colors and also their taste. And let me tell you what, some of these are sour and some of them are sweet. I bet you can guess which ones are sour, especially if we bite into them. But oranges, this is a lemon, and this is a lime. Alright, limes are green, lemons are yellow. That's a great way to determine which one is which. And what's great about oranges? Well, oranges are orange. Then, we have an apple. Now, a lot of us, we see this at lunch at school or breakfast in the mornings, and apples are usually pretty sweet. If you have a green apple, they can be sour. Now, this is Mr. V's personal favorite, is some strawberries. I love strawberries, especially sometimes you can dip them in chocolate, but this is strawberry. All right, we have grapes. Now, grapes can come in different colors as well. We have purple grapes, red grapes, and green grapes. All right? Now, grapes are pretty cool because you can pick them off the stem. The stem part right there is the part that is on the plant that's connected to the grapes. You can just pick them off and then you eat them. Now, this is a watermelon slice. You know, a watermelon is a huge fruit that is just all green, and then when you cut it into it, you have the red piece right here, and it's very juicy. It's filled with lots of water, so like watermelon water. It's really good. And then you have the black seeds that are in them. Here we have cherries, and cherries are really good, especially if you put on some ice cream. But we're going to try to be healthy here and do some more of the fruit. Now, I do have another card right here. It definitely fell. I bet you can't guess what this is. It's very tropical, which means it can be found on some islands. Alright, so we have, this is a pineapple. Do not just bite into this, because it will definitely hurt. You gotta cut into it. You do not eat this part right here. Okay? So what's great about fruits is that Mr. V has some fruit at home that he wants to share with you guys. Alright, in this case, I'm not sure if I actually talked about this. This is the banana, alright? Bananas, lemons, and oranges are fruits that you have to peel. And by peel, it means you take off the skin, okay? Now, an apple is one that you don't have to peel because there's nothing to peel here. You actually just bite into it. Now, let's see if we know any reminders. Which one is an orange? Now, let me give you a hint. It is the one that has the color orange. Now, this in the, lemon or a lime? Now, remember, limes are green and lemons are yellow. Okay? Now, I did say that some fruits you have to peel and some fruits you have to bite. Okay? Now, why don't you pause right here and think, which one do you think I have to peel? Is it the apple or is it the lemon? Well, let's see. Let's see if I can bite into this one. Now, look, I bit pretty hard and I didn't even break the skin. Now, an apple. Let's see if I can do it. Comes right off. Pretty good, too. Oh. What's cool about the oranges and the lemons, you can peel them with your finger, alright? So you come right in there, push really hard, and careful, it gets kind of juicy. See, it's full of juice, alright? Now, remember I said some of these are sweet and some of them are sour. Now, if you have a lemon or a lime, remember limes are the green one. If you want to try it, you can try the juice, but I'm telling you, you might make a face because it's very sour. Here, let's give it a try. Ooh, that's too sour for me. Now, oranges, on the other hand, they're pretty sweet and they're delicious. Now, when you do have fruit and you're chewing it, make sure you have some napkins because it does make a mess with all the juice. Now, bananas, again, you just peel them back, because you don't want to eat this part, okay? This part just protects the fruit. Then you just take some bites. It's pretty good stuff. Now, you can rewatch this video as much as you want. Remember to pause, and then so you can get familiar with what each one is. Now, let's just end it on one last time going through our picture cards, okay? So we have pineapple, cherries, watermelon, grapes, strawberry, apple, oranges, lemon, which I just had, and limes. Alright, remember, rewatch as many times as you can, and if you have fruit at home, go ahead and try it. Try peeling, try biting, and just taste them and see what you think. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow.